everyone, this is our Breaks. Today I'll be showing you how to build an easy sports car. Start off by getting the base of a car, then connect 2 wheel connector pieces, then connect 4 wheels to the wheel connector pieces, the next simple step is to place 4 car fenders. Then place 2 of these studs on the side pieces on each side. Then connect these 2 pieces together and repeat this one more time, and place them as shown in the video. Next, get a studs on the side piece and place a 2x2 tile on it. Then place 2 cheese slopes on top and a 1x2 plate on the bottom, and connect as shown. And place tiles as shown in the video. Then connect all these pieces together. And place the steering wheel at the front of the car. Place 2 of these pieces and they will be the mirrors. In the middle of the 2 mirrors, place a printed 1x2 tile. And right next to it, place a 2x4 plate. Then take 4 of these small slopes and place them at the front of the car. Then take a 1x2 brick and on top of the 1x2 brick, place 2 1x2 plates. And on top of those 1x2 plates, place a 1x2 tile and place it as shown in the video. Then place a 2x4 tile. Next to the 2x4 tile, place this piece. Then place 2 1x1 tiles. Then place 2 1x1 plates on the bottom of the glass piece. And place another glass piece in the front and a roof piece. Then take a clip piece and a 1x4 tile and place as shown in the video. Then take these little pieces and connect them all together and place them as shown in the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.